Okay, so maybe bushing is from the ball bearing or roller bearing. Okay, so see, this is the different color, one housing and end housing. Okay, this is the your clutch disc, roller pivot. See, roller bearing or roller pivot bearing is there, and this is the flywheel. This is your clutch plate and pressure plate is there. So all the things is combined together with the engine. See, engine is there. So this is the engine, and after the engine, the flywheel is there, and this is your clutch disc or clutch plate, and this is your pressure plate, and there is the clutch, which is responsible for transmitting the engine power to the driver shaft or driven shaft. Okay, so clutch linkage mechanical linkage type. See, bracket and bumper link, and this is the retracting spring equalizer shaft is there. There is a pedal. See, by this pedal we can engage and disengage the clutch from the flywheel to the drive shaft. Now another clutch is cable type. See, this is the cable type. Okay, so mainly this type of clutch link is used in two wheeler. Okay, there is a handle is there. We press, and by the wire or cable, the engagement and disengagement of the clutch will be happen. Okay, so this type is for the two-wheeler purpose, or three-wheeler also use this type, but from the four-wheeler or multi-wheeler vehicle we can use the pedal type. See, linkage pedal type. Here is a pedal and here is a cable. Mostly common use which is used today. Okay, that is that cluster master cylinder is here. Means we can use, this is a pneumatic type or hydraulic type of pressure which is applied to engage or disengage the clutch plate from the flywheel. Okay, hydraulic clutch is there. See, hydraulic clutch is there. Okay, so here receiver, inner cap, seal, float, receiver, clamp, and this is your cylinder body. Okay, and now here piston assembly, gas tank is used for the avoid the leakage of the air, leakage of the compressed air from the cylinder case. Okay, piston assembly is there, plate, spring ring, boot, and yoke. Okay, all assembled together to apply a hydraulic clutch master. Means we can release or disengage or engage the clutch from the engine by the hydraulic pressure. Now see, this is the hydraulic clutch serve. Now piston and piston cup is there. All the cover is there. Bleeder is there, and boot push rod is there. Okay. Now hydraulic clutch solve connection connecting type. How they connect? Okay. So here you can see hydraulic line disconnected here. Clutch solver cylinder is there. Preloaded spring is there. Input soft and clutch housing is there. So all this diagram is show the all the assembly of different component which is used in the clutch plate assembly. Dual clutch transmission system. Okay, in essentially an automatic manual transmission delivered to the mainstream by the Volkswagen, now being the use developed by the manufacturing company, eliminates the power shocking torque convert of an automatic transmission and utilize two input soft, one inside and other is outside. Each input soft will have a diode clutch or clutch bank spindle to it. Okay, a process or computer will be a processor or computer. Okay, will engage one of the other clutch or okay. So dual clutch may use that with a dry clutch package. Okay, so the benefit is that we can use it for the wet as well as dry clutch package too. Okay, so we can use the oiling or we can run the without oiling of the clutch system. Okay, our conventional clutch disc brakes. Here, this is the conventional type. So what can one plate and other plate? Two plate is there. So the similar size plate is there, but one is the clutch plate. We call the clutch plate, and one other the pressure plate. Okay. So the work is the spring is expanded, then
And when it's
and when it's compressed, then it meaning the disengagement is there. Okay. So at the last, you can see there is a basic arrangement. This is your gearbox, inner transmission soft, and this is the outer transmission soft is here. Okay. So one, two, three, four, five. So there is a five gear type. Gear number one means what happened? The gear number one means one gear attached to the driver shaft. Two means second gear is attached to the driver shaft. Three means third gear is connected to the driver shaft. Okay. Each of the input shaft control half of the transmission in the gear shed. See, outer gear shaft and inner gear shaft. And this is the clutch casing. Okay. So clutch plate, flywheel, and pressure plate is available here. Okay. So this is for the today program. So students, if you want to ask any question, then now you can ask your question because I on the option to unmute yourself and ask your question if any question is there. Okay. So students, if there is no question, then I share the feedback link. and all the student must fill the feedback link. So student, I shared the link in the group so you can fill your feedback form. And if any question is there, then you can ask your question now. Okay. So student, if there is no question, then you may leave the program now. Thank you.